Hi, this is Scott with Airmax, here to talk about Airmax WipeOut PondWeed Defense. WipeOut is a highly effective aquatic herbicide developed to treat the entire water body, providing season-long results in a single application. WipeOut is a systemic fluoridone herbicide that controls submerged and floating pondweeds slowly by reducing their chlorophyll, starving them of nutrients without rapid oxygen depletion or a fish kill. Use WipeOut for long-term control of both submerged and floating pondweeds, including American pondweed, bladderwort, clasping leaf pondweed, coontail, curly leaf pondweed, duckweed, watermilfoil, hydrilla, lily pads, sago pondweed, spatterdock, and naiad. WipeOut is ideal for ponds and lakes with no or very little outflow. You will start to see results in the first 30 days, and pondweeds will be controlled all season. Before using WipeOut, always read the product label for appropriate protective equipment and application rates. When calculating the application rate for your pond or lake, it is important to remember that WipeOut treats the entire water column, and accurate pond measurements, including depth, are vital to effective treatment. For best results, apply WipeOut early in spring at the first sign of weed growth. If treating later in the season, or when plants are actively growing or mature, add Airmax Knockdown Defense algae and aquatic weed control to your WipeOut treatment, achieving both fast-acting and long-lasting results. WipeOut is easy to use. Simply dilute product in a bucket with non-treated water and apply to the pond in several spots from the shoreline. Treatment will disperse throughout the water column. Avoid using a sprayer when applying WipeOut, as some of the treatment will be lost to evaporation and sunlight exposure. The active ingredient in WipeOut is weakened by sunlight, and we recommend adding Airmax Pond Dye at the time of application to maximize the effectiveness of the treatment. WipeOut has no temperature, swimming, boating, or livestock restrictions. However, it does carry a 30-day irrigation restriction. Airmax WipeOut PondWeed Defense is a highly effective aquatic herbicide that provides long-term management of aquatic vegetation through an easy-to-use single application. For more information, contact your local dealer or visit us online at airmaxeco.com.